guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Vlogmas day 2 and I am participating in a challenge today. So I'm going to stop talking and take you outside to where I will be working on my front porch. Today I am participating in yet another challenge hosted by Heidi's Humble. It is a winter Christmas porch decor and I am about to clean out my porch and decorate it for Christmas. I have lots of stuff to put out. I do like to jazz it up quite a bit, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. And like I said, it is part of the collaboration, so open invitation, so there will be a playlist and Heidi's channel linked down below, and I encourage you to check out the playlist and Heidi's channel after you finish watching my video. And yeah, so my name is Sonia, for those of you that are stopping by for the very first time. And without further ado, let's get started. To show you all the things that I have over here. So I have made up those planters, which will be a video coming up in about 2 days on how I assemble those. There are Christmas swangs over there, extra Christmas greenery, my front door mat, garlands, my little basket and sign, and then just a couple other embellishments that I will be using for this decor. And let me turn around. Here is my front porch. I'm still embarrassed. I still have pumpkins because my husband keeps on forgetting to take them out to the garbage. So I have my little wreath already there that I made a while ago, and a rocking chair and welcome sign. So we have a lot of work cut out for us.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So it is all done. I hung up the swags on both. Show you what it looks like from further away here. So I've got my 3 pots here, and they're just in dirt, and then I will water it, and then eventually it will freeze shortly after that. I made another swag. I think I'm going to go get a bigger bow or a bigger ribbon to make a bigger bow. The wreaths are from Michael's, and I just added stuff to them. I've had them for several years now, so I'm not ready to replace them yet. Snow sign was a DIY that I made. Same with the North Pole, the magazine rack, and then I have over here a snowman wreath, which was another DIY.
We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance.
The mat was a DIY as well.
Dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my...
I would like to thank Heidi for hosting this challenge. I love decorating my front porch. Oops, I'm so strong for the holiday season. So this was just right up my alley. And tune in for all the tutorials on how I assemble my pots. That will be coming up in about 2 days, I think. And like I said, the playlist will be linked down below. Heidi's channel will be linked down below, so make sure you check out both after you finish watching my video. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button, stick around, and enjoy what my channel has to offer. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
Waking up to all those smells and sounds, racing downstairs to see what might be under the Christmas tree. Oh, can I please